Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. This is Bala here. This video I'm going to show you the stock which we are going to focus for today's trading. So which kind of stocks which we are going to use for our intraday trade, so that we are going to see in this video. So that I'm going to use our Camarilla pivot point. Using Camarilla pivot point, how we can find out a stock for a trading before market opens. Let's find out the stocks with the screener is the help of charting.com. So first thing, we can create a scan, or we already created a scan for a tomorrow's trade, and we already told you that the strategy which we are going to first, we are going to focus what kind of strategy we are going to. So as for our Camarilla levels, we got some 4 levels for the trade: R4, R3, S3 and S4. This is the level, so where we know that Camarilla level. When the stock is completely open above this level, so we are going to find out the stock which is for a bullish trade, right? So that is what simply we are going to focus a bullish kind of trade. That is one. And second, where the Camarilla levels is completely down from yesterday's level, so we are going to focus a bearish kind of trade. Okay, another, the stock which is in between or inside between the Camarilla levels, the today's Camarilla compared to previous day, so we can focus for a breakout kind of trade, right? So this is what our trading. Another one, so overlapping lower value is the previous day, today's level is slightly in between or inside, little bit inside and little bit outside. In down value, see here we are focusing slight bearish, or focusing for a selling opportunity, or what we say slight bearish. Here we are going to focus a sell opportunity on the stock, and some stock which inside between R3 and R4, and some levels are over that previous levels. Here we are going to focus again bullish kind of trade. So slight bullish, and this is almost 5 patterns which we have seen here. So the most important patterns are the bullish, the bearish and the breakout. This is what the thing. So some levels which is outside the previous day. Okay, here we are don't have the places to draw. This is what today and this is what yesterday, right? This is yesterday level and this is what today level. Okay, so if it is over value, again we are going to find find a trade opportunity in a range bound market like that. Okay, so somewhere around unchanged value, the same like that range bound or even a breakout. So these 6 kind of patterns which we are going to filter out. What are the stocks which we are going to do tomorrow, or by today itself we can calculate. But this video we are going to find out the stocks for today's trading, right? So now you just memorize these patterns, and we are going to first find out that stock which is now. And now you see that this is a outside value, so where we are going to find out the trade that is giving you range bound kind of trade. Okay, this we are having some stocks which is around Adani Enterprise, Balkrishna Industries, Marico, Alchem, Torrent Pharma and Bose. These stocks which is simply we are going to focus a range bound trade. So where if you are the range bound market, so what kind of trade we are going to see? So the bounce back R3 and S3 levels were very important to make a reversal kind of trade using outside value. The stock which is again you can focus these stocks for a range bound trade. And another important thing, so outside levels, now we are going to focus the narrow. That is what this stocks for, which we are going to focus for, and we are going to use the latest value so to get the today's stock list. Okay, not one day. Let's do that. Latest, and here one day. The second one, so those stock which is forming inside value, so these two stocks, that is Vedanta and Bharati Heavy Electricals, so the BHEL. So these two stocks which we are going to focus for breakout kind of trade. Focusing that the today we are going to focus these stocks for a breakout kind of trade. So how much we are going to do? So we are going to focus breakout trade for this stock. So breakout trade. So these stocks we are going to focus a breakout trade. One is the Vedanta Limited and another one is BHEL. So today after market open, how it reacts, so we can see that also, right? And somewhere this is what a breakout kind of trade. Let's go for a the stock which is giving you bullish. Let's find out that a higher Camarilla, so a higher value, and this one we are going to focus for today's scenario before market opening, so we can find out these stocks somewhere around Aditya, MRF, ICICI and HDFC, Axis, and these stocks support level is greater than the resistance. It's simply higher value that we already mentioned, this kind of pattern. So the stock having this kind of pattern. So tomorrow or today this stock having higher value, so we can focus for a bullishness this particular stock. So let's remember the list of the stocks. So there's around 7 stocks, even a Bank Nifty also we can focus for a bullish kind of trend. Okay, this is overvalue Camarilla level. And again, so we can modify here the same one, the resistant, the support 4, Camarilla support 4, sorry, Camarilla resistance 4 is less than Camarilla support 4. Simply this is a lower value, that is what bearish. So we can find out only the stock which is info edge. So using this sort of filter, so we can find out a stock for our trade. So here we are going to focus this stock for a selling, and those stocks which is having the lower value, this is a higher value, and we will go for a lower value stocks. Let's see that here info edge that we seen, the higher value stocks we seen, and lower value, and inside value also we seen, and previously we seen outside value, that is a range bound trade also we find out. The list of stock we can filter out and we can set it out for our intraday trade. So if we keep focus on these stocks, so we may be getting some good intraday trade opportunity for our intraday trade. So now info edge, and let's check it out, other lower value. Let's check it out, lower value stocks, simply info edge, and narrow stocks which I have already seen, that is you will already seen that. So you can go back through the video and you will be getting higher value and outside value. So that is outside value, that is very important, that is a strong bullish stock, so where we can go for a, sorry, not this, narrow value, we can go for a breakout kind of trade. So you can take this stock and check it out for tomorrow. So VEDL and BHEL we are going to focus for a breakout kind of trade, and info edge we are going to focus for a down trade, and that some other stocks like Axis Bank, Bank Nifty, ICICI Bank we are going to focus for a bullish trade. And if you want to focus a range bound trade, so that is also be possible to scan out. So those stocks which is going to focus a range bound trade. So that is an outside Camarilla. So using that outside, let's show you that outside Camarilla. So we can focus these stocks for a range bound kind of trade. So now you can do the homework, and we done the homework. So let's do with how the stock is reacting to the Camarilla pivot. We can do in today's analysis. Let's make another video how this stock is performing. So we will do an video after or in a live market. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, can hit the like button and share to your friends, and comment on this video if you like or if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks for subscribing my channel, and thank you so much for your time.